Ever feel stuck between the traditional bank and the wild world of crypto? You're not alone. That's where platforms like bitwala come in, promising the best of both worlds, a regulated bank account that lets you buy, sell, and hold crypto all under one roof. Sounds pretty futuristic, right? But before you jump in spaceship emoji, there are some key questions to answer. Is bitwala legit? Is it safe? Here's the deal. A rocky road to relaunch. Bitwala's story starts in 2015, aiming to be the first crypto bank. Imagine a bank account that treats Bitcoin like it treats dollars. Pretty innovative. They even partnered with a major card provider. But, plot twist, that partnership fizzled out in 2018. This set bitwala scrambling, but they didn't give up. They rebranded to Nuri in 2021, only to file for insolvency a year later. Whoa, that's a roller coaster. Now, in 2024, bitwala is back with a relaunch, promising a smoother ride. But can we trust them after that bumpy journey? The new and improved bitwala. Let's dissect the relaunch. Bitwala has partnered with Striga, a crypto compliance company. This could be a game changer. Partnering with a reputable firm shows a commitment to regulations, a crucial aspect in the often uncertain world of crypto. Security and regulation, the big questions. Security is paramount when dealing with your hard-earned money, crypto or not. Bitwala claims to be a German bank, which means they should adhere to strict European regulations. This is a good sign. However, it's always wise to do your own research. Check bitwala's website and official documents for details on their security measures and regulatory compliance. Beyond the headlines, user reviews. Reading user reviews on platforms like app stores and forums can be a treasure trove of information. Here, you'll find real people sharing their experiences with bitwala. While some users praise its ease of use and innovative features, others mention issues with account lockouts and buggy verification processes. It's important to remember that online reviews can be subjective, but they offer valuable insights into potential user pain points. The verdict: proceed with caution. So, is bitwala legit? The answer isn't a simple yes or no. The relaunch with Striga is a positive step, but bitwala's past struggles raise concerns. Here's the takeaway: bitwala has the potential to be a great platform, but it's still early days. Here are some things to consider before diving in. Do your own research, deep dive into bitwala's security measures, regulatory compliance, and user reviews. Start small. If you decide to try bitwala, don't deposit a huge amount of money right away. Test the waters with a small sum first. Keep your crypto safe. Remember, even with a regulated bank account, your crypto holdings might not be fully insured. Consider storing a significant portion of your crypto in a secure, personal wallet. The future of bitwala. Only time will tell if bitwala can navigate the competitive crypto landscape. They have a lot to prove after their rocky past. But with a focus on regulation and a user-friendly experience, they might just become a game changer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.